So where are you running right now, Ethan?
I am running the GRT-BC carbine, which is a piece of goddamn shit. It is a paperweight that looks cool, and that is it.
Oh no.
Dude, this is gonna suck. Fast mag takes fucking 3 business days.
Oh my god. They're flanking on the right side hall. Whoa, that was a big ass. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh, Gilly. Gilly.
Shit, dude.
Oh shit. Oh, that worked. Oh, nope.
No.
Oh shit,
my
what?
paddle. Short control first. Do not.
Hey.
5 M44. Goddamn hand cannon.
Oh fuck.
Just dude.
Grab what you can!
Oh, dude.
Big muscles. Oh shit, from the left.
Here's how you get big muscles. It's better than you can have as much as you want, bud.
Fuck. Fuck.
I'm sure Mama.
Yup. Oh shit. Oh, there's a guy right on us. Oh my god, it's fucking dirty in there, dude.
Oh my god. They're up top overlooking the... What's up, buddy?
Oh.
Thank you!
I guess not anymore.
Oh, I just got capped. I killed one and got capped.
Got him. Good shit, team.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh shit, I'm down. Blue got me, blue got me.
Could be up.
I'm up.
Bad.
I got him. There's more. Oh,
He's
that
gone.
one got me. Oh, bless you.
They're up top here.
Oh shit, grenade.
Oh, I got one.
Motherfucker. Sneak up behind us and pinch us.
There's one.
Oh
Nice.
fuck.
Oh god.
No, 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 no. He's, no, it's so bad. It's so fucking bad.
Yeah, they... Oh.
Short controlled bursts.
Okay, you got picked up. I see.
Ooh, grenade.
More help. Yeah, no. Got him pinned to get a lot of assists. Fuck, I'm down.
Oh shit, they got me.
There's a dude with a DMR down there.
Ooh, behind us.
Whoa. Picking up friends. Taking cover.
I took him down with the sledgehammer right lane tunnel. Let's fucking get it, motherfuckers. Let's fucking comeback season, dude.